Sculpting Varangian Guard miniature. In this video, we will start to assemble our parts to the whole figure. I'm Igor, also known as Brother Vinni. I'm a sculptor and founder of a company that called Brother Vinni Miniatures. I have a 15 years of experience in traditional sculpting. If you have some questions or you want to communicate with me, welcome to comment. Okay, let's start. As we can see, now we have completed body and the head that is separated. Our task now is mount the head to the body. When I sculpt so small miniatures, I remind that it's 28 millimeters. Usually I don't use a piece of wire for mounting a head. It's no need to do it. I just use a small piece of the clay and it's hard enough to hold our head. But of course it doesn't work if we will make a figure in bigger scale. So pay attention, it works only in small scales. At this moment it's not a neck actually, it's just a base that holds our head. Also, let's check the direction of view, because he should look above the shield like experienced wearer. Okay, at this moment I can add some small details. Now let's make that chainmail collar that he wearing under the helmet. We make it absolutely the same way. First general shape, then we will add a chainmail texture using our special tool. And this is my special tool for making chain mails. It's a syringe needle that has an end cut out. And then I also cut it one more time to make the end a C shape. Now I use it like a stamp to make each ring of the chain mail. Chainmail, of course, is made of rings, and the secret is that each row of the rings has a reverse direction compared with the previous row. So making like this, row by row, we should cover whole surface with our chainmail texture. So let's go. Almost completed. Let's fix an edge a little. And it's ready for baking. Now we will make a right arm. Use a piece of metal wire as a base, and of course we should very carefully control the length of the arm, proportions, and of course find a position if you didn't have it in your mind before. Actually, finding a position for the arm is very easy and pleasant now, because we already have a weapon with the fist. So we can take a look and find most beautiful, most interesting position by our fist. Now let's mount our wire into the body using a glue. And of course, I repeat that it works only at small figures. If you have a big figure, the wire mounted into the body can fall down under his own weight. So please be very careful doing this. A little bit shorter, I guess, something like this. Now let's make a basic volume of the arm. Now we can add another small details, for example the belt for the sword. Now we are making the arm, and there are three basic volumes, three basic things that make up the arm. First, it's a sleeve on the forearm. Second, it's the wider sleeve in the area of the shoulder. Right now I'm making it. And also he has a bracelet on the wrist. All these three things I will make at once together. Basic shape of the sleeve is completed, and now I'm adding first creases, and also here and at the wrist I will make a bracelet. Okay, and now this white sleeve on the shoulder actually is a chainmail too, and we are going to make a chainmail texture absolutely the same way how we will made it before on his collar. Just pay attention to the direction of the rows. Okay, now let's fix the edge a little, and I guess this arm is almost completed. Okay, it was baked and solid now, so I'm going to cut this arm out. It's very easy if the character has some clothes or armor. Now I want to make this arm a little bit shorter. It's just my feeling. Let's check how it looks together. Okay, not bad, I guess. Now let's mount back this arm to the body, and we can start sculpting that armor plates that he has on the shoulder. It's very easy when we have a hard base. Okay, ready? And let's now make a next part. He also has the same armor plates on his neck under his helmet. So let's do it. Absolutely the same method. First we make general shape, general volume, and then we should cut that separated. I guess it's not a plates, it's rather ribbons, because this element of armor made of leather, it's not metal, so it's soft enough, and we should control it. Now let's upgrade our plates on the shoulder. I guess these armor plates are made of two parts. It's a leather base and a metal plate on this leather base. So now we are going to these metal ones. Okay. Another small details that makes miniature much more interesting. It's a cross on his neck. because I guess this Scandinavian guy on the Byzantium servers is a Christian already. And of course, it should be some string that holds this cross on his neck. Thank you for watching. Don't skip, we will continue making this miniature in our next video. If you have some questions, welcome to comment.